Hi YouTube! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today we decided to buy, instead of NutriBullet, we buy this Ninja. It has something like NutriBullet, and the processor, food processor, and the regular blender. Yes. So we're gonna be unboxing this one. We just bought it a while ago. It's around 129 at Walmart. The instruction. Aray ko. Ano tawag dito? This thing, I don't know. Styrofoam. And the cover for the blender. Tanggalin ko na sa mga plastic Ay shit, baka masunog. And the NutriBullet, like, it's actually bigger than NutriBullet. Bigger siya na sa NutriBullet. It actually has 710 ml. And tada! The blender one. Tada! Grabe, besh. Napakatalim ng loob niya, oh. Kita mo, oh. Look. Look, guys. May knife siya talaga, pang crushing siya, oh. May knife siya talaga, pang crushing. What else is included? So, this is the other option. The food processor. And then, it's kind of big din, no? Ang laki din niya, in fairness. And the device itself, the machine. Oh, basag. Taran! Heavy duty to. Ay, shit, lumidikit siya sa sa lamesa. Heavy duty siya, mga beshi. So, meron siyang frozen drinks. Pwede kayong mamili. Meron ding NutriBlend. Merong Ultra Blend. And food puree. And ito is a food processor, which is the dough. Low dough. And may pulses pa. Kayo mamimili kung anong gusto nyo. And that's all for the unboxing. Pag ginamit namin to, I'm gonna take a video because I'm just so excited to have this so we can have our tawag dito? Veggies and fruit shakes at home, diba? Healthy options. So that's all, guys. That's all you will get for $129 plus tax, no?
140.
We're gonna keep this one. I always keep this one, so anytime we can look and check what's wrong and what's not wrong. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye!